Okay, today is November the 8th, 2015. We're watching the infrared loop for the Northeast Pacific, and we're watching a front moving into Central California right here. It's delivering rain to the San Jose area and all the way up diagonally into Lake Tahoe and into Reno, Nevada, and Carson City and out in that area into Nevada right here. So there is some wet weather moving into Central and Northern California. Let's go ahead and take a look at this on the, this is the Western U.S. water vapor loop. And we can see the front moving in right here. And today in Los Angeles, we had chemtrails all over Southern California, and that's because of this front moving through. They are preventing the rain. Once again, right now, currently at 10 o'clock, a little after 10, we have relative humidity in Los Angeles in the foothills of 60.4%. The dew point is at 40.2 degrees Fahrenheit. We've got a barometric pressure of 29.98. That has risen slightly since this morning. This morning we had 29.97 inches. Currently the temperature is 53.7 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. Now there is some unstable weather right here that is marked on the surface analysis map, and that could bring some wind and unpredictable weather as this thing moves down, as this whole system moves down into the southern part of the state. Right now we just have damp weather outside. It doesn't feel like rain, but it is much damper than it was yesterday and the day before. Um, this morning, as a matter of fact, we had 20.8% humidity. That was this morning around, well, actually it was 1:30 in the afternoon. Yesterday on the 7th, we had 16.2% humidity, relative humidity, and that was measured at 11:34 a.m. So it got very dry and windy a couple of days ago, and now we've got this system moving down out of the North Pacific, and that is bringing some moisture. But we do see some chemtrail activity. We'll take a look at that on the SSEC map here in a second. They did a lot of chemtrailing today, as well as yesterday, Saturday, and today, Sunday. So that will probably prevent the rain. We should be getting rain from this large front. Let's go look at the big map right now. This is the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop, and we can see there is quite a bit of moisture offshore here in this front. We also have a HARP transmitter isolating this area of low pressure that's trying to spin counterclockwise, but they've got heat on that. We can see that right here, this giant border that's built around this. That will also prevent this moisture field right here from feeding into this system and giving this any strength. Also, we've got a whole new storm up here, 952 millibar storm right here. It's marked as a storm, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. Actually, we can't even see that storm up here, but it is north of the Aleutian Islands. Currently, there's no thunderstorm activity marked down here. Well, I'm talking about disturbances. There are no disturbances marked here on the maps. Let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center. We do have a disturbance, actually a tropical depression identified just north of Cuba and Haiti and Dominican Republic right here. This is Tropical Depression 12. And we can take a look on the West Atlantic map. We see that there's an area of spinning low pressure right here, and then there's a system right here, which I think they've marked as a Tropical Depression 12 for the Atlantic right here. I believe that's what they've marked it as right here. That's north of the islands, but we do have a low pressure spinning system right south of these islands. So we'll keep an eye on all that. Let's look at the pressure map here. We can see here on the west coast, we've got this very large high pressure. We've got this cold front that's moving down and getting rain into Central California and also up and through Lake Tahoe. And we have a dashed line here. That means unstable unpredictable weather right here. And that's where, let's go back to the big map again. That is this area right here. That could bring a lot of wind and unpredictable weather right behind this front. So we'll keep an eye on all this. There's not a whole lot else to report. Other than that, I didn't do a report yesterday. There was really no need to. Anyway, I've got the rain gauge out. If anything comes up, we get any rain, you get to hear it here first. So that's pretty much it. And we will do an update tomorrow. Okay.